Hi, my name is Shawn Phillips, your personal trainer and holistic life coach in Los Angeles. In my program, you'll learn practical, life-changing strategies to transform your health. First, you'll master sustainable nutrition, how to eat for weight loss without starving yourself. I'll teach you to choose foods that fuel your body and fit your lifestyle. You will feel full, satiated, and energized. Second, you'll discover stress management and sleep techniques to boost energy and mental clarity. Third, you'll learn fitness fundamentals tailored to your body's goals and needs. No extreme workouts. The program adapts to you, your energy, and your lifestyle. Whether you're in Los Angeles or joining my online virtual program, my health, fitness, and weight loss programs give you the tools to lose weight, feel great, and live better. Are you ready to start today? Book a free consultation on my website. Let's build a healthier you together.